Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. It is Saturday, Saturday the 27th of January, and today we're going to do something a bit different. In the background here, you'll see we've got a different car. It's my dad's 1961 Morris Minor Traveller 1000, or Morris Minor 1000 Traveller, whichever you want to say. It's in Old English white. It's got a Metro interior, Rover Metro. It's got a 1098 engine with it, and yeah, that's a bit of history. We've owned the car 6 years, so I've grown up with it most of my life. I've always grown up with classic cars and stuff, and he's decided to sell it. So today's job is just to get it ready for selling. So what we're going to do, we've got a sound system in it, so we've got 2 speakers under the rear seat, 2 speakers in the front, and a head unit in the glove box. So what we're going to do first is disconnect the battery, and we'll reconvene inside. And yeah, so it's a bit sad to see it go, it will be, but that's what happens. But it just doesn't get used as well, but it's in good shape and everything. And yeah, with it going means this garage will be empty, which means I'll get the Mini in here and it will live in here, or the Mini will be in here, which means with more videos every weekend we can record a video and stuff, like that. Tomorrow's Bingley, so we're not going to do much today, just a bit of pottering, see where we get to. So first job is to take the battery off and see what happens from there. So see you under the bonnet. So I've just got the battery cable off, and you find me inside the vehicle. So we've got the head unit, and it was in here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to pull the aerial. Jesus. Well, that hasn't worked, has it? Right, let's have a look at this. Right, aerial's out, and the aerial comes to here, all the way up here, yeah, all the way up to here, over here, to the mirror, and there it is. So, just take that earth out. That's going to be nice. Oh no, there we go. Right. Just do this as well. I'll try and get that out in a bit. Come in here. Just pull that away a bit. Alright. Look at that. There we go. Take that out. And then we can just carefully. Right. Let's try and get this off. Alright, there we go, look. So just try and feed it all the way out. Still damp. There we go. Right, so that's that wire out, and we'll put that back again. We'll take that cheater thing off in a minute. Let's have a look. Just get this tongue tail off. It's got some family history, that is. So let's just see if we can get that out. There we go. Right, his tail off. Yeah, so just to show you quickly, we've got a speaker in here, look. One there. And we've also got them. Have a look. Oh, flipping out. Hold on a minute, guys. Sorry about that. Just lost my phone. Right. Just a minute. Right, so we've got the wire in here. And as it's me, I'm just going to pop it out. So yeah, that's the head unit. It's quite a nice one, to be fair. It's a nice Sony. Lights up and all these clear bits light up and all that. You got a USB port as well. Plug in your phone. There we go. Look at that. Slides across. Love it because it's got a bit of carbon fibre effect. So hopefully I might be able to have this from a car. Maybe we'll see. So just so we don't lose it, we'll just put it back on here. Click that in. I quite like it. It's a nice, neat little unit. Doesn't take a lot of wattage either. Right, so we're coming down here now. As you can tell, we sort of we're bored of it just listening to the engine in the summer. So what we did was, right, so we just pulled the carpet away here. It's just a bit damp because we took it out this morning in the rain, stupidly. Right, so we've got to try and push that back in. Right, so we've got all the wiring out of here, and then what we'll do is we'll just pull this along here. Right, and it comes to here. There we go. So in here you have this like netting stuff. Not netting, sound deadening, which is absolutely shocking because it's so old. So what we'll do is we'll just push these wires down to the back there, push it out. Which means under here, there we go, look, all the wiring. Got to just undo that, click there, and then all that will be free. Don't know what, there we go, get in. I need to see what this black wire is for. I think that is the earth. I remember. Yeah, because it goes into. Where's the black wire go? I see it coming here. Here it is. Yeah, so I think that's the earth. So what we'll do is we'll just try and get a sound deadening in here a bit neater. That's a bit better, I guess. So we will try and get. Let's just see if we can pop it off there. So we got these little bolts in the corner because we custom made this to fit in this gap we had. Look at this. This is why I love these cars. Just need your hands and you're off. Right, let's just undo this one. See if we can. Maybe not. We'll have a look at that in a bit. Just put that bit of cardboard in. Just keep it there. Neat. Right, so what we got is, yeah, that black. Let's go into the car and have the bonnet and have a look. Neat little engine bay. Ah, it's the earth. We've got an earth. So let's just get a screwdriver. Let's have a look. There we are. There we go. Let's just unspin that. Where are we? Right, we're out there. Push it through. Let's see if it'll fit. There we go. Flipping it. What we've got is a bit. Oh, we'll just snip it. No, we won't, 'cause that's a stupid idea. Yeah, so back in the car, we managed to sort out the little problem. So what we're going to do, carefully, holding the camera as well, snip, oh no I haven't. Hold on a minute, let's swap hands. Let's have a look. Oh, why is it so hard? Doing all this for you guys. You need to see what I get up to. You know, I do things. Yeah, we'll just snip that wire as well. Right, yep, so where are we at? Well, snip that wire out. Flipping out. Right, yeah, so what we've got, let's pull this speaker out. Not bad speakers to be fair, but I think the driver's side's blown, so I'm going to get the full set. But we're going to get a big one. We're going to get some big ones. Yeah, that's quite nice in there. All original and neat. Love the heaters in this. So what we're going to do, chop these two cable ties off, which will run it all the way down underneath here, which will bring us to that side, and then we can look at how it connects to the fuse box. So yeah, let's get this bit done. Yeah, so we've got it all out, as you can see, and yeah, it's all out. So I know it's not mini based, but I had something to do today as the weather's been raining, so I haven't been able to get outside. But with this going, it means hopefully I will be having the garage. So the restoration shall get underway even quicker and hopefully get some more done. A new video, well, after this one, it's going to be a little vlog, Q&A I'm going to do, and some plans of what's going to happen with the car and stuff. So and then it's Bingley Hall tomorrow, so can't wait for that, to meet you all. So thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Please share it as well, get the word around, and yeah, let's get these views up. And subscribers I'm happy with, but the views, I want to push the views if possible. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Yeah, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.